Worried about chargebacks or fraud cutting into your online sales? Even with the right products, one bad transaction can freeze your funds and slow down your business. Here's how you can visualize a safe checkout setup. In Canva, mock up your store's payment page. Include contact and shipping fields on one side and a clear order summary on the other. It is a great way to design with security in mind, but it's still just a visual step. Real protection happens behind the scenes. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their built-in fraud prevention and PCI compliance features keep every transaction secure while maintaining smooth checkout experiences for your customers. Plus, EasyPay Direct's FAQ and what types of security measures are used in e-commerce credit card processing explains exactly how these protections work, so you understand what's happening at every stage. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their fraud prevention tools and PCI compliance setup keep your store protected. Don't take chances with your payments. With EasyPay Direct, you can process safely, prevent fraud, and keep your revenue flowing. Click the link in the description to get started today.